morning, this is Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai. I wanted to take a minute to thank you for your internet inquiry, and I wanted to show you the beautiful Elantra Limited that you selected and inquired about. This is the black on black, one of the most beautiful Elantras I've got in stock. Hyper silver alloys, LEDs in the headlights, turn signals, chrome handles. That's added on the limited package. Come on in and take a look inside. 5-passenger seating, leather interior, heated seats. You've got Bluetooth, Blue Link, and that is for safety and convenience right here on the rearview mirror. You've got touchscreen radio controls. This also works touchscreen. You can control your phone right from this touchscreen. In here you have your USB port, auxiliary, and charging station. The center armrest also slides forward. All this, and you get America's best warranty at 5 years, 60,000 miles on your new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles on your bumper-to-bumper, on your powertrain warranty. But Tameron's going to double that for you to 20 years and 200,000 miles. I'm looking forward to meeting you, and let's take a test drive in the new Elantra 2015 Limited Edition. Again, I'm Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai. My number is 380-6250. I look forward to hearing from you soon.